So the build just finally dry, thanks to Mr. Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner here, and the generator up on top. Look at all that lovely lead goodness. Now we just need to sort out some sort of pumping arrangement down there. Electric. I've got manual pumps, so I need to renew the piping on them. But okay, pull the refrigerator out. I'm going to pull the wind generator out shortly, and got to get some electronics out of here, and the old GPS position. What's a hoodly ding dong thing? That's coming out too. I think we're going to go a few steps towards the future, and yeah, start working on this area here. This is the type of boat wiring you don't want to find on your boat. So further investigation is required, and I think the whole thing needs rewiring because I don't trust what's behind anything anymore. Why would you use that sort of board in a boat? And we've found some more very dicey wiring. Definitely rewiring the boat. Definitely. Here's the slightly more open plan bathroom layout, and it's all out there. So I'm still going to, at this stage, rotate the toilet in and put a showering area in here somewhere. It may or may not even be hot, but got to have it. Might widen this out here a little bit just because I'm going to need a bit more room. And the tricky bit's going to be with the hole there, trying to get enough slope down here so that I've got somewhere to catch the water. And then I've got my trijuicer and some other damn thing there as well. Oh, it's a heating sensor as well. Right, now I know where that is. I don't actually like any of this shit actually. It's wide okay just in here, but fucking everywhere else is rubbish. Don't know where it goes, but pull that up. And we're out. Radio telephone. Made in Tampa, Florida, the USA. No rust. I don't make things how they used to, eh? Hey, look what we've got here. Another fuse box. This is on the radio side. Oh, it says there's a filter in here. Let's have a look. And look, we've got a capacitor and we've got two chokes. So yeah, it's definitely filtering something. maybe at a guess it's filtering out the VHF reception so it doesn't get into the FM AM side of the radio, because I presume they're sharing an antenna. I'm not sure where that hooks up, but that's what it does look like to me. Yeah. Right, so something, I'll just clip these two wires here just to save me dicking around trying to find anything. One would make the assumption that red be positive and black be negative. So one thing with anything to do with boats is you're going to have to learn the electrical system a bit and to use a multimeter. And all the terminology is almost identical between different brands. Instead of volt with the two lines in the infinite line, that means DC. And everything in a boat in your 12 or your 24 volt system is direct current. So it's not like you have in your house, or like what comes out of the inverter if you've got one fitted to your boat. So to test, we're on DC volts. Let's put this down and I'll just get this out of the way a bit. DC volts, battery's on, because I won't get a reading if the battery's turned off. We get an end each. So we'll just push it into the middle, hold that there, do a little bit of finger yoga, put it in the middle. Oops. And what happens is Ryan's finger slips, and that's why we got no reading. So I'll push that back in there again. There we go, 13.79. So that tells us that those are live. And now we have to play that fun game of find where the wire goes. Something else that you'll learn a lot on boats is finding bloody wires. But one of the best things I find is just being a little bit careful by turning the power off, like we've done now. Undo the clips. These two here in the general direction. There's a black one, so I'll pull that, and it's the wrong one. So if I'm not a black one, pull that, nothing happens. Not a black one, nothing happens. Not a black one, here we go. So this one is our black wire. So it comes into over here. This is it here. And I'm not going to dick around unscrewing it. I will just be a masochist wire beater upper. Now a lot of this wire on this boat isn't tinned marine grade wire, but this bit is, but that's okay. Most of what I've found so far is not marine grade wire, so I'll be replacing everything, especially with the whole twist the ends together termination method someone's used along the way. Right, let's unplug this crap. Probably quite good quality, but I prefer digital. Again, check out that wiring. A little bit of a tug, eh? And see what happens. Oh, look at that. Electrical tape is not a long-term solution to anything, but you can use it to stop short-term mistakes. Like if I turn the battery on and short this thing I'm taping, there will be sparks. We will discharge the entire battery in no time. So yeah, not long term, but great preventative, because here's the negative just over here, and we'll undo that, we'll do the same with that. They really rated the parts bin last time they refit this boat. There's a posi drive screws in here. They must have got a whole bunch of screws on special that were all spilt on the floor at the hardware store, and there's a huge variety. This is bloody annoying. Anyway, here's the cabin lights and the nav lights. That was nice of someone to label them. Taking the first part of the in-ear sealing off, and we've got polystyrene insulation. Oh, that comes off easy. A little bit grubby. Look at that. Spot a little bit of a black mark here and there. That's part of the solid looking deck. Yeah. Look, we've even got the price label on this. Wonder what company it's from. Oh, R 1.64. So that'll be Rand. From its South African heritage. Wow. That looks really good. The weather's about to get shit, I think. You see the rain coming across. I think after this shower and it clears up again, I'm going to head back, I think. But this is what we're up to. No point being nice. So I've got to clear that out, and then start working on this. And yeah, see how we go. Alright, so this is where we're up to. We've got most of that out. Anyway, the weather's clearing a bit. And ooh, using my head as a tool. Might make the dash back to the car.